Hi guys, today we're gonna see you how to receive money through Western Union in Nigeria. Well, this is simple. We're gonna find in Western Union in our browser and we're gonna click the first result right here. Once it's load the page, we're gonna click this button right here, send money, to send money directly. And right here we're gonna show you uh, two types of ways to receive money in Nigeria. Okay, I'm gonna type Nigeria in this section to find Nigeria to send the money. If you're the sender, um, you're gonna type here the amount to send, and right here you can see uh, how much the person will receive. Okay, and right here, uh, we're gonna choose or we're gonna see these two options. Okay. Uh, This auction is allows to receive the money simply by sending the account number that the person who is going to transfer it does. Okay, it's really simple. Click this, use this auction. If you're at the sender, you need to uh, you need to ask the person in Nigeria for the account number. Okay, and this auction is cash pickup. It's very simple to use. Okay, this auction is really easy to use. Once the money has been sent, we must go to a Western Union branch to collect the money. Taking to transfer receipt with us. Okay, you need the receipt of the transfer to receive the money. Okay, and we have these two options. I hope this video was helpful, and comment and subscribe please.